Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome to our geography period, and we recently finished or we completed the fourth chapter named climate, and it is now time to discuss the question answers. But before that, let us just study the differentiation between the climate of India and the climate of Brazil. So based on this, it will be easy for us to write down the question answers. So the first point below in the column of climate of India, we have it has monsoon type of climate. Here it has tropical climate to the north and temperate in the south. So, students, let me tell you, I'll just read out these points to you. If you have any queries, please do let me know through WhatsApp or through Google Classroom. Fine. Everything has been explained during the explanation of lesson. If you still have any queries, please acknowledge me of the same. The second point is southern part of India lies in the tropical region. So the temperature, this is the short form of temperature, TEMP. Everywhere, wherever you see this, understand it as temperature. Temperature is high in the south and comparatively low in the north. That is, the temperature decreases from south to north. Fine? Decreases from south to north. Don't get confused with this. Northern part of Brazil lies in the tropical zone. So the temperature is high in the north and low in the south. The temperature decreases from north to south. This is something very, this is so very opposite. Then receives rainfall from southwest monsoon winds and northeast monsoon winds. Who? India. And Brazil receives rain from northeast trade winds and southeast trade winds. India receives orographic rainfall only. Brazil receives orographic and convectional rainfall, both type of rainfalls. You know why it is orographic and convectional in Brazil. Orographic will happen to the south of Brazil, to the southeast of Brazil because of the escarpment. Convectional will happen to the extreme north of Brazil because of the equatorial line, which to the equatorial line where the temperature is very high and it rains every day. So this is convectional rainfall. Western part of Rajasthan, Gujarat and eastern side of Western Ghats receive less rainfall in India. And here in Brazil, northeastern part of Brazilian highlands is a rain shadow region. Again, because of what? Because of the escarpment. It is a rain shadow region. Tropical cyclones are frequently seen in India, means they frequently occur in India, and tropical cyclones are rare in Brazil. Why? Because the northeast and the southeast trade winds are very, very weak as they flow on the Brazilian highlands. Therefore, they do not actually clash with each other, and therefore there are no cyclones formed. So these are the main points that we discussed regarding the differentiation of climate in India and Brazil. In the next session, we shall discuss the question answers. Till then, goodbye.